Alright, good morning guys. Okay, in this video, I'm going to try to make a simpler explanation about the protein synthesis. So actually, the protein synthesis consists of two major steps. The first is called as transcription, while the second is called as translation. So the point that we have to remember in the transcription process is the formation of mRNA, which has function in forming the DNA codes from one strand of DNA. It is the template. Okay, the strand is called as the template, not another strand, because another strand is non-template. Okay, and then for the translation, this one, the translation is the process of converting the code in the mRNA into protein. It is called as translation process. Okay, and then it takes place in the ribosome. So the formation of the proteins is in ribosome. Okay, so now let's check it out. Just imagine this strand and this strand is the DNA strands. As we know that DNA is a double helix, means that DNA consists of two strands. So this is the first strand and this one is the second strand. Actually, as we know that every strand has some nitrogen bases or some basis sequence like this: thymine, thymine, adenine, thymine, guanine, and in here also adenine, 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 thymine, adenine, cytosine. But to make this nitrogen bases, there is a rule. The rule applied is called as base pairing rules. As you can see here, just imagine this one and this one is this one and this one. So the base pairing rules that used in this DNA antisense, or also called as codogen, or also called as non-template, the first strand, while the second is the template, or also called as DNA sense. So the base pairing rules that used here is this one. Okay, this is adenine must be paired to thymine, guanine must be paired to cytosine, cytosine must be paired to guanine, and thymine must be paired to adenine. Okay, so to make it simpler, just remember this way. Anak gadis suka tidur, from the upper to the lower, and then the opposite, from the lower to the upper. Anak gadis suka tidur. Okay, just check this one. Adenine always paired to guanine. Adenine always paired to thymine. Sorry. Adenine always paired to thymine. Adenine always paired to thymine. Guanine always paired to cytosine. Guanine always paired to cytosine. Guanine, cytosine. And then cytosine always paired to guanine. Cytosine always paired to guanine. Okay, and then thymine always paired to adenine. Thymine to adenine. Thymine to adenine. Thymine to adenine. Thymine, adenine. All of the thymines here pairs to adenine. Okay, and then in the transcription process, I said there is a formation of mRNA, and this mRNA also usually called as codon. In this process, there is the formation of DNA copy from the template. So this nitrogen base is actually copied from the DNA. But how? There is another rules that used here. Check this one. So adenine pairs to uracil, guanine pairs to cytosine, cytosine pairs to guanine, and thymine pairs to adenine. So for make it simpler, remember this way. Anak gadis suka tidur, anak gadis suka uang. Why U? Here there is no U, right? Because this one is DNA. DNA possess thymine but not uracil. And this one is RNA, the red one, the red strand here. RNA possess uracil, but they don't have thymine. Instead of thymine, they have uracil. So that is why in this part, there is no thimin, and in this part there is no uracil. Anak gadis suka tidur, from the upper to the lower, and then the opposite, anak gadis suka uang, so from the lower to the upper. So that is why in this strand, let's check it out. Adenine always pairs to uracil. Adenine, okay, from DNA to RNA ya. Adenine always pairs to uracil. Guanine to cytosine. Guanine to cytosine. Guanine to cytosine. And then cytosine to guanine. Cytosine to guanine. Cytosine to guanine. And then thymine to adenine. Thymine to adenine. Every thymine. Thymine, adenine, adenine. Okay? So, the next, to find out the tRNA, or also called as anticodon. So, wait, this one, mRNA, or also called as codon. We need this one to find out the tRNA or the anticodon. So, just move this one to this one. So, actually, this strand is similar with this strand. We move this one to this one to make it simpler to find out the tRNA or the anticodon. Alright, so it is U, AUG until AAA and AAA. Okay, so similar. Now, how we can find the tRNA or anticodon? There is another rule, as you can see here. Because both of them are RNA, so both of them possess uracil, but both of them have no thymine. Okay, so the base pairing rules must be like this. Anak gadis suka uang, from the upper to the lower. Anak gadis suka uang, from the lower to the upper. Adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil. Adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil. There is no thymine because both of them are RNA. Okay, so let's check it out. Adenine pairs to uracil. So adenine pairs to uracil. Guanine to cytosine. Guanine to cytosine. Okay, guanine to cytosine. That's correct. Cytosine to guanine. Cytosine to guanine. Okay, cytosine to guanine. And then uracil to adenine. Uracil to adenine. Uracil, adenine. Uracil, adenine. Uracil, adenine. Okay, that's right. So, and then the last thing, or the last step, is the formation of amino acid. Why amino acid? Because to form the protein, protein consists of, or contains of, or composed by so many amino acids. So, okay, in here, let's see the codon. Move this one. UUU, AUG, UCU, UGC, AAA. Move to here to make it simpler, to make us easier to understand or to translate the triplets of base sequence into the amino acid. Okay, UUU, it is the phenylalanine. AUG, it is methionine. UCU, it is serine. UGC, it is cysteine. AAA, it is lysine. How we can find out the amino acid from this triplet? Okay, from these triplets. So I'm going to share you the table of genetic codes. We can find out how how phenylalanine found from UUU, and then methionine from AUG, serine from UCU, because these triplets code for this amino acid. These triplets codes for this amino acid. These triplets codes from this amino acid. So I'm going to share you the table of genetic codes after this. Okay, if you have any question, you can answer me. You can ask me, not answer me. Oh my god.